guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today we're in the area of La Mulata, in an area that is upcoming and growing very, very fast. I'm going to show you a new built home which is just finished. It can still use a little personal stamp, but I want to take you on a tour through the house, so come on in. So right now it is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, but it has space to make it a 3-bedroom if you like. It has a beautiful terrace, a wraparound. It has a pizza oven there in the back because the current owners are Italian, and I think that is a great feature to have in the tropics. And then the house itself is all about open plan living. I'm going to show you a beautiful open plan living room with an open kitchen and then the bedroom. So come on in. Look at this. All the furniture is in solid wood, and the kitchen is beautiful and open with a little breakfast bar. I think that is really what you like to have. And of course, you always have the view to the outside, which is amazing. Then we have the master bedroom. And on the way to the master, you have a good closet space where you can put away all your stuff. The master bedroom is really large and has an ensuite bath, really beautifully finished with natural materials. So let's look at the bathroom. Really pretty. I think it's really nice, nicely finished, a little bit different, very modern. And then there is an area that right now is open. They made their laundry area here. There is a door, and you have like the washing machine and a sink on the side. And personally, what I would do with this area, because there is like a space in between the bedroom and this laundry area, you could make a nice sliding door or just close it in, because there is also a door that brings you to the outside. So you could perfectly manage this area from the outside in, and then just do the laundry separately and then make the bedroom really, really private. I think that's really nice. It looks out over the lushness of nature. And you know, this area is also practical. You have like a bathroom inside, so I think it's really practically made, and it still has room for a little bit of improvement. And then there is a separate area, which is the second bedroom. On the way there, you have a half bathroom. When you have visitors, they don't have to go to the bedrooms, which is really practical as well. And then here, this is the second bedroom. It is used as an office right now because the owners, it's just a couple and they just use the place for themselves. But here, of course, you can put a second bedroom in without any problem. Another possibility with this area as well, because it goes to the garage, and the garage area has another full bathroom. And what you could do with this area, it's a little bit cluttered now, but if you think about this, this could be a separate living space. You have the door to the outside here, and you could just put a door in there, put in a kitchen area and another bedroom, and then just use this space as a separate rentable studio. And I think that's also a smart idea to work with this house. So why don't we go to the wraparound terrace now, so you can see the outdoor features, because they're also a sight to see. Come on. So here you have the jacuzzi area. It's like a picuzzi, they call it here. It is between a jacuzzi and a pool, which is really nice. And it has a feature which has a cascade. I'm trying to see if they can put it on. I think it's going to come now, which is beautiful. So you have the jacuzzi on top and then the picuzzi below. A picuzzi is, in all honesty, between a pool and a jacuzzi. So it's bigger than a normal jacuzzi, but it's a bit smaller than a normal pool. And then all around this area, you have all these beautiful features. You have an amazing big lot, which is great, because all this area all around you can still use. You can also put a a little separate outdoor house. You can construct something else on it. And the nice thing is you're on a cliff. So you really have like a big outdoor area, and you're private, in a private area. You can also park your car here in the front if you would prefer to use the area of the garage as a studio. And then you can do something with this driveway and use this as well. But like you can see, this is another lot that is also included in this sale. So this was it for now. I hope you give us a like, you share with all of your friends, you subscribe to our page, and I hope you click on the link here below to get all the information about this beautiful newly built house. So for now, bye-bye, and hope to see you soon. Bye.